A piece of cake. A piece of cake. This is an English phrase that means something is very easy. Today, I'm talking about something that makes English easier. The most common sound in English, the schwa. The schwa is so special that it has its own name, schwa. To make it, you need to relax your mouth and say a short, quick sound. Back here. You try. Uh. Let me give you some examples. Teacher. Amazing. A piece of cake. Teacher. Amazing. A piece of cake. The schwa is weak and often unstressed, so it's the quieter part of a word. For example, teacher. Amazing. Amazing teacher. Sometimes it even replaces whole words, usually function grammar words, not keywords. Like this, a piece of cake. A piece. Not a piece, a piece. Of cake. Not of cake, of cake. A piece of cake. Can you hear it? A piece of cake. So let's put these together. Listen, can you hear the schwa, and repeat after me. My amazing teacher makes English a piece of cake. My amazing teacher makes English a piece of cake. Say your own random sentence and listen out for the weak, unstressed schwa sound. Can you find any examples? Leave a comment in the comment section. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this amazing video. See you next time.
Bye-bye.